Hello, my name is Gloria Moreno, and today I want to talk to you about awareness on recycling, the benefits of recycling in our communities. The practices of recycling can help our landfills and our environments. Starting with you and sharing your awareness to others, it's beneficial to our environment and our future. Let's begin. A quote by Maria Angelecki. She said, "We should have a better interest in protecting our environment." She's right. In the article, exploring the awareness outcomes of educating students on environment, let me show you our Beaumont landfills. Not pretty, quite disgusting. We did this, but we can change this together. Landfills. Trash goes to the landfills. This causes toxins, hazards, waste, leakage, pollution into our underground waters. Household trash, 292.4 million tons are equivalent to almost 5 pounds per person per day, based on the Environmental Protection Agency. About 69 million of that tons of that municipal solid waste was recycled. Only 25 million is composed industrially. Millions of metric tons of solid waste are generated each year in the U.S. Nearly 22% is solid waste, food matter, and that was in 2024. Common questions. How can you make a difference? What can you do to help? Where do I go to recycle? Exploring your options, recycling, donating, and repurposing are common answers. Recycling plastics, paper, glass, metals, electronics, clothing, and much more. Locations where you can recycle. You can Google some of the recycling near you. Beaumont Recycling is a drop-off location for metals, aluminum cans, and more. Home Depot have a drop-off location for materials, old power tools, and even rechargeable batteries. Locations like grocery stores, Kroger, H-E-B, Walmart have recycling bins that you can just drop off. As well as Best Buy, if you have old electronics, laptops, computers, tablets, drop them off and they'll recycle them for you. Automotive stores, O'Reilly, AutoZone, and other auto parts stores, you can recycle oil, auto parts, and they can refurbish and recycle, and sometimes you can even get a little money back to your pocket. Places like donation centers, Goodwill, Salvation Army, and even your neighborhood churches, you can give them your items, household items, clothing, shoes, and other things that other people can repurpose and use them as well. This might seem a little complicated at first, but with organization, practice, and daily routine, it will become easier. Just like tying your shoes. Central idea. Recycling and general purpose is to keep our communities aware how this affects our environment. The pollutions and toxins that are hazardous waste leach it, which is to the underground water. According to Salem Press Encyclopedia of Science, in 2025 research starters say, when plastics waste enter the terrestrial and aquatic environment, it can have a negative impact on our ecosystem, human health, wildlife, and oceans. Facts. According to author Becky Hardin from University of Arizona Global Campus, landfill leachate has been an overlooked issue for the state of Texas. Leachate is a liquid that it drains from our landfills, containing a complex mixture of dissolved materials from the decompose of waste. It can come from rainfall and from flooding. flooding being the worst. A lot of leachate escapes out of the landfills and into our environment, possibly contaminating underground water systems. Hypothetically, imagine you lived in a beautiful city for its vibrant parks and charming neighborhoods. You are prideful in the cleanliness and the scenic greenery. Then your neighbor continues to, days in, weeks out, empty their trash. It smells. It's an overgrowing mound of heap of landfill trash. This impacts your communities, daily lives, environmental of value properties, wildlife, the oceans. Now you can see it, now you can smell it, hear the machinery moving around in the trash from the landfills. The beauty is gone. Facts, a true story. Did you know that during World War II, people recycled pantyhose, tin cans, cooking fats, the tin from the toothpaste that was being used, plastics, paper, old rags, scrap metal, and old rubber. This was for the war effort. In 1905, garbage workers sorted via conveyor belt. Some trash was reusable and sold in industries to organics to feed our animals. In 1960, President Lyndon B. Johnson started passing a lot of environmental legislation as the environmental movement begins to take hold on a national scale. Recycling was seen as a person's manifestation of helping the environment. This helped decrease the amount of waste going into our landfills by 94% in 1960. In 2018, 52% amount was generated. Our citations here. Conclusion. Recycling is so crucial to our environmental because it conserves natural resources. It reduces pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, and minimal the need for landfill space. By transforming used materials into new products, recycling lessens the demand of raw materials, saving energy and protecting ecosystems. Recycling, it all starts with you. You can make a difference simply by sharing your awareness on recycling. It's not difficult. It's just a form of routine, a habit we can genuinely need to get into. Let's save our environment together. Save for a cleaner and healthier future. Thank you for letting me share awareness on recycling with you. Have a wonderful day.